Welcome to the world of Renegade RV, where luxury and adventure meet. Today we're thrilled to introduce you to the exceptional Verona 36VSB model, a split-bath floor plan that's built to redefine your travel experience. Let's dive into the remarkable features that make Verona a true standout. The Verona's sleek and aerodynamic fiberglass front and rear cabs, along with its transition design, exude elegance and style. With 6 colorway paint options, you can personalize your Verona to match your taste and preferences. Featured here is our Surge color option. The frameless dual-panel tinted windows provide stunning views and a tilt-opening design and screens for optimal ventilation. Its exterior is further enhanced with a Girard lateral arm awning with LED lights, side swing aluminum compartment doors with single-handle paddle latches and a double catch, and steel storage compartments with carpeted lining providing durability and easy access to your belongings. Step inside the Verona and you'll discover a world of luxury and convenience, ensuring that your home away from home reflects your personal taste. The optional cab over bunk, complete with a cozy TV, a window to catch breathtaking views, and a power shade for utmost privacy and comfort. Featured here is our power theater seating, or opt for the sofa, featuring a convenient fold-out sleeper. All this embodied in maple hardwood cabinetry. Share meals and laughter with your loved ones at the convertible booth dinette, the perfect spot for engaging in lively board games with family and friends. Select from an array of decor options, such as our Tuscany decor featured here, to create an ambiance that resonates with your sense of style. The Verona's kitchen is a chef's dream. It features an 18-foot cubic French door residential refrigerator with an ice maker and stainless steel doors. The recessed 2-burner electric induction cooktop with polished solid surface covers provides a sleek cooking surface, and the stainless steel convection microwave oven offers convenience for all your cooking needs. Additionally, the Verona is equipped with 2 15,000 BTU low-profile roof ACs and heat pumps with plumbed condensation lines, ensuring optimal temperature control and comfort. The AquaHot cabin heating system provides continuous hot water, adding to the overall luxury and convenience of the Verona experience. And for added comfort, an optional stackable washer-dryer is also available. Step into the Verona's bathroom, featuring a maple hardwood vanity, medicine cabinets, and linen storage cabinets for ample storage space. The fiberglass shower with a glass door and shower head provides a luxurious bathing experience. The whole house water filtration system ensures clean and fresh water wherever you go. The polished solid surface countertop with a solid surface sink and deluxe bath faucet adds a touch of elegance. You'll also find a porcelain macerator toilet with a convenient push button. Entertainment and technology take center stage in Verona. The living area boasts a 43-inch 4K smart LED TV, and a 32-inch 4K smart LED TV in the bedroom ensures relaxation and entertainment. The exterior entertainment center features a 32-inch LED TV with a soundbar on a swivel arm, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies outdoors. Stay connected with the Winegard Connect 2.0 rooftop over-the-air antenna with Wi-Fi and 4G capability. And never miss a moment with the Winegard in-motion satellite system. The Verona is equipped with superior plumbing and electrical systems for a hassle-free RV lifestyle. Control your coach effortlessly using the main 7-inch multiplex touchscreen with zone-dedicated switches in every room. You can even manage your RV settings through our user-friendly Bluetooth app on your phone, access your full maintenance wet bay, and optional power retract water hose reel, ensuring easy water management. You'll have ample resources for extended adventures with a generous 150-gallon freshwater tank and 75-gallon gray and black tanks. Thanks to the 8-kilowatt Onan quiet diesel generator with the automatic generator start system and 3,000-watt true sine wave inverter, power is never a concern. Conveniently retract the 50-amp cord reel with an automatic transfer switch and surge protection. Additionally, add the optional 600-watt solar charging system with one 330-amp-hour AGM house battery or upgrade to a lithium battery, providing reliable electricity wherever you go. Safety is paramount in the Verona. The Freightliner M2-106 chassis is equipped with a safety assurance package, which includes enhanced cruise control, lane guidance, electronic stability control, and collision mitigation features, ensuring peace of mind on the road. For the adventurers at heart, the Verona boasts a remarkable 20,000-pound towing capacity, allowing you to bring along all your favorite toys for endless outdoor fun. Your journey is backed by our commitment to quality. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive warranty. 1 year limited unlimited miles and 3 years structural 36,000 miles coverage. The Renegade Verona offers a luxurious and adventurous travel experience. With its impeccable design, superior craftsmanship, and top-of-the-line features, every journey in the Verona will be memorable. Embrace the freedom to explore with Renegade RV.